Hi guys, I am Paula Zavala. Welcome to my kitchen. This is a really quick tip. Have you had a recipe that you make when you bake and you make it once and it turns out to be amazing, and then you bake it again and it's not as good and you don't know what happened? This could be the answer. So we have always in your kitchen, hopefully you guys have some of these ones and some of these cups. These are for you to measure liquids. This one is for you to measure dries. So there's people, you're supposed to be measuring liquids, no flour, sugar in these cups. But let's try it. So let's see, I'm gonna make a cake, da-da-da-da-da. So 1 cup, right? This is 1 cup. Do you think this is really 1 cup? Let's see. So if you put the flour in the good measuring cup, oh, oops, this is way more than 1 cup. These are the things that make the difference, flour everywhere, when you bake. Anyway, so use the right tools and you will see how when you bake you're going to have amazing and better results. So thank you so much, and I'm going to start cleaning up all my mess.